rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my foot, low, low, low. Hold me till I scream forever breathe.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you're back for another one all about my hair, whatever. So, ooh, this lash. So I am doing the silicone method, a silicone mix method. I don't know what it's called really, but it's supposed to revamp an old wig. So I've had this wig for a minute. I don't even remember where it's from, but if I do, I'll put it down in the description box. And I wanted to just make it better, and just see if the method actually works. So you saw me do the method in my little montage. Hopefully that turned out good. Ooh, this wig smells so good. So this is how it turned out. This is the wig, obviously in its natural state. I will say the actual hair feels a lot softer. The frontal part is still it's softer, but it's not as soft feeling as the hair part. And then it didn't really like do too much for the lace. The lace kind of is the same, but I guess it's more clean. But what I will say is that the hair smells really good. Like, it smells really clean. It's crazy. But yeah, so we're just gonna install it and we're gonna figure out if it really worked. I think it did work because the hair is softer, but as you can see, it's still like being kind of tangly. But maybe that'll go away once I like blow dry it and, you know, get it cute. So let's do all of that. So this is the wig on. As you can see, the frontals kind of look giving madness, but the hair looks really like good and like refurbished or whatever. So I don't know if we can get this together. We might be on something. So yeah, blow drying. I'm on it.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby.
Oh y'all, this hair feels soft as hell right now as I'm blow drying. Oh my goodness. Ooh, hold on, I might have to hit this method on my other wigs. All right, we are back. Wig cap has been applied. Refer to my last video. I'll put it in the cards for like in depth of how I do my wig caps. But yeah, wig cap is applied. I keep saying clap. Wig cap is applied and wig is dried. So let's get into it. Let's finally get into it. Adhesive products we have today are the Wonder Bond by Ebin, the Lace Bond Spray. I'm probably gonna put this like use this as like a melt for my hair. And then we have the Bold Hold. And then we have the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. I haven't tried this before, so we're gonna try it today for the first time. So let's get into it, get into it. I'm about to spray this lace glue on here, not lace glue, this lace tint spray by True Match, I think. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but this is what it looks like. And it does good for tinting lace. So we're gonna try, this lace has already been, already been through the ringer. But it's already, also, I've already bleached it. So that's why the knots and stuff look like that. But we are going to spray this lace and try to get her, you know, cute and closer to the skin tone. All right, let's do it. So make sure that, first of all, my eyebrows look really good today. But anyway, stay focused, my brothers. Y'all seen that TikTok? I know y'all. Listen, if you on TikTok, go ahead, follow me. It's _Lindior. You get the vibes. But yeah, let's. Ooh, a comb would be better. A comb is always better. All right, so these are the hairs we're leaving out. Nothing too crazy. And what we're gonna do is go in with the ebon on the lace and then wrap it down with this. So we're like, you know, melting it down. Tabs up. Ooh. And just spray the whole thing. Like. Ooh, ooh. We don't want it to fall. Alright, so now I'm just gonna let this sit. I might hit it with a blow dryer and then we'll come back and get the styling. Alright, babes, we are back. The hair is very much stuck on. I started to press this part down. As you can see, she's doing alright. But since I'm doing the side part, I'm not really going to stress over what this side's looking like because, baby, she's not going to be seen. So, let's get into it. So, to style today, we are going to find our part and figure out how to let her be seen. So, this is my face, right? This is a good place for a part. Obviously, y'all, I'm gonna have to do some plucking to really finesse this side part. So yeah, but first things first, we gotta find it. Gotta carve it out. We push this behind our heads. This is kind of right. Yeah, I like where that is. Okay. Okay, y'all. I had to come on here and give y'all a full, you know, voiceover for this wig because it was fighting me. Okay. You see me doing all this extra plucking. I had to go in. Mind you, y'all know this was wig I've worn before. So why I had to go all this extra plucking, I don't know. And then now I'm cutting the lace in the front because, baby, I definitely shouldn't have put that lace tint on top of this lace. But you know, you live and you learn. You work, you talented or whatever, you figure it out. So I cut the lace off there. So it makes it kind of like swoopy. And now I'm tweezing. I got into a second layer. I'm tweezing. I respray, relay it down. Style while the lace melts, sits, hopefully marinates and becomes my skin. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do curls because that's just what I'm feeling. So let me get started. I'm doing flat iron curls. So yeah, that's the kind of curls I enjoy. I'm using the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro. Got this at Ulta. Question: have y'all watched Bridgerton yet? I know it just came out on Friday and today is Saturday, and I might almost be done with the season, so mind your business. But have y'all watched that shit yet? Because my God, these people are messy. I ain't gonna get too much into it just in case you want to watch it, but just know, messy. I'm back. So as you can see, it's looking a little better. This is just me getting the baby hairs together. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That took a million years, okay? And this is the real trick that got it together. I got this L'Oreal Fit Me powder in 360, and I'm going in with this fine angled brush and like making it look kind of like hair-like. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing? Putting it apart. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing? Yeah, that's the only thing that really saved your girl. All right. This is all I got in me, so let's move on. Now let's take these curls down and fluff and ooh, get into the final look, I guess. We're back. Okay. With the wag tooth, I'm gonna comb it backwards and try to get a star popping out of this. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I can say that that silicone mix really brought my hair back to life. It's not gonna do nothing for the lace though, so just know that if your lace is bad, this isn't for that. This is literally just for revamp of the actual hair. It's soft, it's smooth, it's moving. Okay. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this wig revamp. Did I eat it up? Or did I eat it up? You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna say yeah, but y'all let me know if I ate it up or not. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, holla at your girl down in the DMs and the comment section. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all, which is next Wednesday, if you didn't know. Bye, y'all.